What's up, guys? You got the Bub031 here again, and I'm doing a mail call video. Just gonna be a quick clip. I got something from my favorite train store down in Southern Ontario. It just came into the mail for me today. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now with the intro out of the way, let's begin. So, this just came from Otter Valley. Big old package right here. And yeah. I know what it is, but I'm going to keep the suspense for you all. They really went to town with the tape this time. Okay. Oh. And of course we got the packing peanuts. So just bear with me a minute here. Oh, so I got the bill here. Oh, we got a little advertisement here from Rio Rail's Giant Public Train Show happening in Burlington. Oh, got a sticker. And another little otter sticker. They're doing these stickers a lot lately. But it's pretty neat. And just bear with me. I'm just going to check the box to make sure I pulled it out. It's wrapped in bubble paper. Nope, that's it for the box. So what we have here, let's take it out of the bubble wrap. Is the Aurora Miniatures SD50F in the CN North American map scheme. Let's just quickly take a peek inside this box. Just make sure everything's all there. And, oh, all right. That looks pretty good. So no, this is not a review. I'm just taking it out to actually see what it looks like in the box. All right. All right, so that's it. My SD50F. We're now going to wrap up this video. All right, so we're going to wrap this up now. So, there will be a review on this later on. Right now, it's just going to be busy right now with work. I will get the review out. There is supposed to be a layout this weekend, but I will not be able to get you guys a layout tour for the month of April, as to I am at work during the weekend. But I will try to get this review out to you guys. It is looking like a great locomotive right now. Probably because now that I see it, I may get myself a second one. But just keep your eyes out for the review. It may come out sometime later. We'll just see when I'll be available to get this to a layout to actually do all the sound functions and all that. But this is going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. There will be videos in the future. Just be patient. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.